You will need a paper plate, white card, scrap of pink card, pencil, black pen, scissors, ribbons in 3 different colours, 2 corks, pink paint, a paintbrush, jar of water, a hole punch, sticky tape, glue, little pot for the glue, brush for the glue, and brown paper or newspaper. Start by covering your work surface with paper. Then place your paper plate upside down. Squeeze out some of the pink paint, then use a brush to paint all over the paper plate. Take a piece of white card and paint this pink too. Then paint 2 corks in the same shade of pink. Then put everything to one side to dry. Cut a 10 centimetre length of some green ribbon. Then use this as a guide to cut some more from blue and pink ribbon. Take a piece of the ribbon, fold it in half and then use some sticky tape to hold it in place. Continue folding and sticking all the ribbons in this way. Take your painted piece of card and draw on a long neck and head of the dinosaur and her tail too. Then cut them out, trimming off any excess where you can see some pencil. Take your paper plate and fold it in half so the painted side is on the outside. Position the pieces of ribbon along one side and stick them in place with some sticky tape. Use a hole punch to punch out a circle from a piece of pink card to make the dinosaur's cheek. Then add a tiny dot of glue to the back and carefully position the cheek on the dinosaur's head. Use a black pen to draw an eye and a smiley mouth. Pop some paper back down on your work surface and then paint the back of the dinosaur's neck and tail. Once dry, you can create another face by punching out a circle from pink card for a cheek and drawing on the eye and a smile with a black pen. Place the dinosaur's neck and tail just inside the folded paper plate. When you are happy with their position, use some sticky tape to hold them in place. Apply some glue around the inside edge of the paper plate, then hold the 2 sides together until they are fully stuck. Take your 2 painted corks. You will either need to get an adult to make a slit in each of them, or we have used place card holder corks, which have slits in them already. Then finally, draw on some little toes using a black pen. Don't forget to check out the Ideas Hub for even more inspiration.